whenever we study about the unit 9, this plant ecology and phytogeography, definitely we have to study about the soil, because in each soil, red soil can give rise to different types of plants, alluvial soil can give rise to different types of plants. So soil plays a crucial role when it comes to the development of plants, the growth of plants. Okay, so plants, water, and some of the plant will drink only a little amount of water like xerophytes. Some of the plants will drink enormous amount of water for their growth. So water plays a crucial role when it comes to the development of plants. Like in the same way, light, temperature, wind, fire, biotic interactions, population ecology, plant communities, ecosystem, functional aspects of ecosystem, phytogeography. So all these things will be covered under this particular unit 9, plant ecology and phytogeography. Okay, in unit 10, we are going to study about the reproductive biology and angiosperms. Okay, when it comes to the reproductive biology of angiosperms, it is very interesting to read about this particular topic, because before that we have to study about the introduction. What is angiosperms, and what are all the basic features present in the angiosperms like flowering plants? What is anther? Okay, so when it comes to the angiosperms, we have to study about the male reproductive part of the plant and female reproductive part of the plant. And if whenever we are studying, we can categorize into two. Reproductive system can be generally categorized into male reproductive part and female reproductive part. And what are all the structures present under the male reproductive part? Like in the same way, what are all the structure present in the female reproductive part? Okay, and after studying the structure, what is their function? Okay, if we studied all these things, that's all about the reproductive biology of the angiosperms. Okay, so whenever we are studying about the reproduction in plants, definitely we have come across about the word called the pollen grains. Whenever we studied about the pollen grains, we should not leave the topic like pollinating agents. What is pollination? Okay, so everything will be discussed detailed in the pollen biology and ovule, pollination and fertilization, self incompatibility, what is endosperm, and generally this endosperm will be involved in the double fertilization. Okay, and in embryo, seed, polyembryony, and apomix is the most important topic, germline transformation. So these are all the core botany. This unit 10 is the most important unit. We should not leave at any cost. And in unit 11, it is related to the plant physiology. As I said before, plant water relationship, mineral nutrition, nutrient uptake, translocation in phloem, plant growth regulators, physiology in flowering, phytochromes. So these are all the things which has to be covered under the plant physiology. Okay. And after that, in unit 12, plant metabolism, concept of metabolism, carbon assimilation, carbohydrate metabolism, carbon oxidation, ATP synthesis, lipid metabolism, nitrogen metabolism, mechanism of signal transduction. So these are all the core botany area. Definitely, we can expect many questions from these type of units. Okay, plant biotechnology, the most important topic. Okay, application oriented. In what way in the tissue culture of the plant will be helpful in the applications of plant, in the applications of plant biotechnology? What is a recombinant biotechnology? Here we can also tend to study about grafting. What are all the types of grafting? What is layering? What are all the types of layering? Everything will be discussed detail into the plant biotechnology. And what are all the applications of biotechnology? Based on these technique, what will be their use? Okay, so that will be dealt under the application of biotechnology. So these are the most important units that will be present in the botany. These are all the syllabus analysis. So in our class, we are going to conduct a class from August 1. Chandu biology classes is going to conduct a class for CUET, okay, and GATB. So these are all the and rank assurance program. So this will be starting from the 1st August. Okay. In our class, what we ensure will be a well-designed 8 months plan. Okay. In that, it is a perfect plan The entire syllabus is going to cover, and that this the plan is like that. Okay, in this plan, when we follow this plan blindly, we can complete the syllabus entirely, and it will be interactive, live and recorded sessions. The class will be on online, and the class will be live. It will be more interactive. Also, if you miss the live classes, you can also go through the recorded classes. Okay. If, immediately after the live class has ended, it will be recorded on the app. Okay, and the class will be conducted via the app called the Chandu Biology classes. Okay, and the class will be conducted in the modes of PPT. Okay, so that it will be very easy for us to understand the concepts, and it will be we are going to provide the study material, and in that study material the entire topic will be covered. Okay, and the 13 chapter wise and 10 mock test. Okay, whenever we completed in the PPT, each and every concept after immediately after the concept has been discussed, we have provided the PYQ, we have attached the PYQ in that PPT itself, and also immediately after finishing the unit, we are going to provide a unit test. And if all the unit has been over, we are going to provide the full test. Also, we are going to give the a mock test. Okay, it will be approximately 10. And individual attention to every student. And the doubt clarifying session will be available 24 into 7. Okay, we are not going to hesitate any of your doubts, even it is a small doubt. We are going to give a special attention, and after the class, you are getting something. Okay, we can assure that. Okay, so just make use of the class, and if you have any queries, you can call to this number. Okay, you can visit our website, and you can refer our YouTube channel. So make use of the classes. The class will be commencing from the 1st of August. Okay. Thank you so much.